How to talk to children about diseases from different cultures. Raising globally aware children begins with open conversations. But how do you talk to kids about sensitive topics like diseases in different cultures? Remember, children often mirror your attitude, approach the topic with curiosity instead of fear, and they'll do the same. This sets a foundation for learning and empathy. Start by asking simple questions to gauge their understanding. For example, do you know what healthcare looks like in other countries? Or, have you ever heard about a disease that's more common in other parts of the world? These questions invite engagement and foster curiosity. Every culture has unique ways of dealing with health and disease. Some rely on traditional remedies, others depend heavily on modern medicine. Share these practices in a way that highlights their value, not differences. Frame it as, different people and places have their own ways of staying healthy. You can use relatable examples to clarify. For instance, explain how spices in some cultures are used not just for flavor but as natural medicine, or how specific rituals aim to ward off illness. Be careful not to generalize or create stereotypes, embrace cultural richness with respect. Often, diseases from other countries might sound unfamiliar or intimidating. Use this as a chance to teach empathy instead of fear. Explain how diseases impact people, no matter where they're from, and emphasize shared humanity. For example, say, in some parts of the world, it's tough to get clean water or medicine, which makes staying healthy harder. Imagine how we can help. By focusing on solutions, children develop both compassion and a global perspective. Storytelling is a powerful tool to bring understanding. Share real-life stories or use age-appropriate books and videos that explore global health challenges. A story about a child from another country, for example, can make these issues relatable while sparking your child's natural empathy. Ensure your stories have a positive perspective, highlight resilience, community efforts, or the importance of learning from each other's experiences. This helps children see the world as a place of collaboration, not fear, when it comes to health. Tailor the depth of your conversation to your child's age and maturity level. Young children need simplified explanations, like some germs travel differently in other places, while older kids might benefit from discussions around global healthcare disparities. Remember, the goal is not to overwhelm but to educate. Use visual aids like maps or videos to help them connect to the idea. This makes the learning process both engaging and digestible. Don't let the focus just be on the disease, teach kids to appreciate the diversity in how people treat illnesses. For example, discuss how herbal medicine is common in countries like India or how acupuncture is a staple in Chinese healthcare. This teaches respect for cultural differences. You could also involve them in fun, hands-on activities, like learning about ingredients in a traditional remedy or researching countries with unique healthcare practices. By approaching this interactively, you make the topic less intimidating and more exciting. Children have an endless supply of questions. Encourage that curiosity. When they ask why some places have fewer diseases or why others struggle with outbreaks, treat these as opportunities to discuss resources, geography, and global efforts to share medical advancements. Make sure to emphasize respect at every turn. Acknowledge the challenges some cultures may face without implying they are lesser than. This way, your child learns both understanding and humility, all critical values in a diverse world. Turn learning into actionable steps. Talk about what you can do as a family, whether it's donating to global health organizations, writing letters to support healthcare initiatives, or simply appreciating your own access to medical care. For example, say, some families can't access doctors as easily as we can. What could we do to help them? This approach empowers your child to see themselves as part of a bigger global picture. Helping your child understand diseases from different cultures shapes them into informed, empathetic global citizens. Take this as an ongoing journey. Keep learning as a family, ask questions, and celebrate diversity. Don't stop with the conversation. Continue exploring books, documentaries, or even volunteer opportunities that deepen your family's connection to global health awareness. Begin today, and watch your child grow into a compassionate, curious individual ready to make a difference.